Social media management refers to the process of creating, scheduling, analyzing, and engaging with content posted on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, and others. It involves managing an individual's or an organization's online presence to build brand awareness, attract and engage followers, and achieve specific marketing or communication goals. Here are some key aspects of social media management. 1. Content creation. This involves creating and curating content, text, images, videos, etc., that is suitable for the specific social media platform. 2. Scheduling and publishing. Social media managers use tools to schedule posts to be published at optimal times for their target audience. 3. Community engagement. They respond to comments, messages, and engage with the audience to build relationships and foster a sense of community. 4. Monitoring and analytics. Social media managers track the performance of posts and campaigns, analyzing metrics like reach, engagement, clicks, and more. This helps in understanding what's working and what needs adjustment. 5. Strategy development. They plan and implement a social media strategy aligned with the broader marketing or communication goals of the individual or organization. 6. Ad campaign management. Some social media managers may also be responsible for running and managing paid advertising campaigns on platforms that offer such services. 7. Crisis management. When necessary, they may handle negative comments or PR crises in a professional and strategic manner. 8. Staying updated with trends. They need to be aware of current social media trends, new features on platforms, and changes in algorithms. Social media management is crucial for individuals and businesses looking to establish and maintain a strong online presence. It requires a combination of creativity, analytical skills, and a good understanding of the target audience and platform algorithms.